This is how I turn a client's idea into a UI screen using AI without guessing and without starting from scratch. All right. So what I basically do first is that I have a chat with the client and then write down what the client really wants. So for the purpose of this video, let's say the client is talking about um, a mobile app for e-learning platform. All right. So basically, what I'm going to do is that I will give a prompt to ChatGPT. All right. So let's say I have this prompt. I'm just going to copy it here. Okay. So let me just copy and then paste this in ChatGPT this way. And then let's wait for what ChatGPT is going to say. All right. As it is doing its thing. Okay. So ChatGPT is kind of helping me to, brainstorm whatever that I need to do in terms of designing the various screens and then all the, the design content and everything that I need to, to put into the design to make it become a powerful product. So ChatGPT has stopped doing a thing. So basically, what I'm going to do is that I'll just go through everything ChatGPT has given me here. Okay. Then the second thing is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to, you know, generate a prompt to develop the screens. Okay. So I asked ChatGPT to help me generate some prompts in order to, develop the skin. So it's generating some prompts for me here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to, copy the prompt that GPT has given me. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let me just copy it up to this point. All right, then I'm just going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to what we call Google Stitch. Okay, this is the AI that's going to help us to generate, the screen. So I'm just going to click here, design, describe your design here, then Control V to paste the prompt, and then I'm going to click on this arrow to generate the prompt for me. So Google Stitch is doing its thing here to help me generate the prompt. Note something, I don't really use this as my final design. This is just to guide me so that the design will be very fast. Okay. So basically, AI is not here to replace designers, it's actually here to make our work, simple so that we can, design faster. All right. So basically, this is what the AI is doing. So it's asking me, shall we proceed with the screens? So let me see, yes, design all of them. So it's going to proceed with designing of the various screens. So let's wait for it and see what it's going to give us. So this is what Stitch has given us. Some beautiful designs here that can serve as a guide in order to design whatever the client is asking of. All right, so you can see the welcome screen, the course catalog, the course details, lesson view, progress tracker, etc. So basically, what you can do is that if you want more screens, you can come here and tell it to, give you more screens, or you can give it a prompt over here to make adjustments to a particular screen, and that will basically guide you in your, you know, design. So you just go back to your, Figma and then do your designs over here. Okay, so you can just pick your frame and work on any screen that you want to start from for your client. So basically, if you are trying to work on the welcome screen, you are going to have something this way. Okay, so we check and see what is there. So we have the skip, then we have the picture, then learn anything. Okay, so you can basically do that design over here, okay, or make some adjustment to it. Remember, this is just, trying to, serve as a guide for you in order to design your own screens basically. All right, so this is how you can make use of AI like ChatGPT and then Google Stitch to aid you in your design. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.